I'm studying medicine here at University of Central Lancashire. I chose UCLan because this is one of the most new and modern approaches to medicine, and obviously medicine is an ever-changing world, so to get into a university that has the most modern approach was why I chose here. My favourite aspect of the course is anatomy. Not only the content but how it's taught also, and the use of the facilities here. So we initially learn theory and then that's implemented then in a practical once a week. So the facilities that are constantly available to us is that practical lab which we use both inside the allocated time and outside the allocated time. And there's an anatomage table there that we use quite frequently, which allows us to have a visual representation of the anatomy that we're learning. In terms of academic facilities, we have a clinical skills lab that's always open to us, along with an anatomy lab like I've mentioned. And the anatomy lab contains anatomage tables along with three-dimensional models to further implement the knowledge into the real world. In terms of outside of academics, I'm on the university basketball team, and the Sir Tom Finlay Sports Arena is open to anyone of the sports team at all times, which is a great facility and it's free for all students. Following our initial exams, we were allowed 2 weeks of placement, either in a GP setting or a community setting. So it was nice for me to see the progress that I had made and what I had learned, because that showed me that I am on a long pathway, but there's a lot to go, but I have also benefited somewhat so far.